actually 11 a.m. already. Well, I finally dressed up. I need to clear my drawers right now. This is one of the things I said I'm gonna do. And I'm gonna show you how it looks like because it looks bad. Wait a second. This is how my drawer looks like. I already started getting everything out and I actually wonder how much time is it gonna take me. I've been procrastinating on it for a year probably. I don't even remember honestly the last time I cleared that out. So I'm gonna set up a timer. I would have guessed that it would take me, I don't know, an hour. Probably it's not gonna take me that long, but we'll see. Oh, and I'm actually gonna, Jesus Christ, I don't know how to speak anymore. Thank you very much for your attention. It was very nice talking to you. I'm gonna start now. Okay, 30 minutes later, and I don't know how to sort things out. So what I decided to do is to get some boxes where I'm gonna put, I don't know, everything that is related to tech, I guess beauty, and just cards, different stuff. Jesus Christ. So anyways, I'm trying to sort this out first, and then we'll get from there. Because wow, I did not expect that it's gonna be this messy, to be honest. Okay, an hour later, I did manage to clean up some stuff here and there. And now I'm gonna go for a walk because it's sunny outside, finally. Well, and it's not. I'm back in my room and I have 2 more drawers left to sort out and to organize. I don't really want to do that, but I feel like I have to. I'm trying to talk myself into doing these things because I'm not gonna have that much time again anytime soon. What you doing? What you doing? And the sun is out again. place these on Vinted because I haven't used it for a while, obviously. So, because now I have a DJI Osmo, there is no point for me keeping this. Jesus Christ, I don't even know how to use this. I think I've used it a few times and that was it. Okay, so it is 6 p.m. I managed to get a lot done, I would say, because I cleaned up all the drawers that I wanted. I went outside and now I'm actually really hungry. Excuse the mess. Wait a second. Yeah, I'm actually really hungry and I was thinking, should I just go and organize other stuff now as well? But I decided that I'm gonna start watching a new series and then I'm just gonna cook some nachos. I know I never done this, but I'm gonna try to do it in an air fryer. I hope it's gonna turn out fine, but I guess we'll see. Um, 4 minutes and I think this is actually done. I have one last thing I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna bake some cookies. Peanut butter cookies actually. It is past 10 p.m. but I don't know. I just wanna do something nice and I'm going to my brother's place tomorrow, so hopefully I can bring these. I actually just walked my dog for an hour, so I kind of feel in a good mood. However, I checked the weather that next week it's gonna be amazing and it's not gonna be raining. Guess who got stressed about it? That it's gonna be my last weekend before I start a new job and that I'm not gonna be able to enjoy it as much as I'm enjoying it right now. So, overthinker, yeah. I'm gonna put a crown of overthinker queen. Thanks. So yeah, let's get to work.